Cough. He had a persistent cough for a week. Snore. Her snoring filled the room. Whistle. He often found himself whistling a cheerful tune while he worked. Fart. He accidentally let out a loud farting noise that echoed in the room. Heartbeat. As I sat in the quiet room, I could hear my heartbeat thumping in my chest. Breathe. During meditation, I focused on the sound of my breathing. Stomach growled. While waiting for my lunch, my stomach began growling loudly. Swallow. I could hear the sound of him swallowing his drink. Good job, learners! That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more such content.